Boondocking at the Belton Hamfest. This is morning number one here. There are a lot of boondockers, and it is a chilly morning here. I'm liking it. We finally broke out of the heat. Hey! I ran into this guy. This is Evan. And look, what's up with 6?
It's mine now.
All right. All right, folks, that is the Belton Hamfest. Fantastic time. Came up here and stayed with Jason from Ham Radio 2.0 YouTube channel and really enjoyed the fest. I will say what I say every time. It's about the people. There's cool stuff to see here, but there's cool people to hang out with. Party starts on Thursday. RVs gathering in the parking lot, having fun and swapping stories and bench racing, as I called it in my older days. All right, what did I get at the Hamfest? Let's take a look. I got the Skyhook Mast Topper. Friends are the best reason to come to Hamfests. Well, this is from a friend of mine. This is from Miss Renee 6 and Mr. Burns 6, and it is some of their coffee. Sometimes I think people can just see that I am a Commodore 64 fan. This is an AEA Soft MBA tour for the Commodore 64, and this is the modem that goes into the user port and has a 25-pin serial port out the back. And then here is the magic. Advanced Electronics Application Computer Patch Interface. I will learn more about that device sometime in the future. When it said computer patch on the front, I thought it might have been an auto patch for connecting your repeater to a phone system, but the gentleman that was offering it up for free said that it was a RIDI device. And one of these days I am going to take my Commodore 64 and I'm going to connect it to a radio, and I'm going to do all kinds of fun Commodore 64 radio stuff. I can't promise when that day will be. If you don't know, I do have a retro tech channel where I built a whole bunch of Commodore 64s and repaired a whole bunch of Commodore 64s, in addition to old MS-DOS computers and so forth. And there is a link to that channel up top and down below. And then this one here, I just couldn't resist. This is a little tiny Yaesu radio. This is a Yaesu FT90. It's a dual band 2-meter, 70-centimeter radio. Came with the mobile mounting bracket here, and to give you an idea of the scale of the whole thing, that's the regular Yaesu microphone next to the radio itself. And then even at that tiny size, it still has a detachable face. This is going to be fun to play with. You never know what you're going to find at a Hamfest other than just plain fun. So be sure to go, even if you just take a look around and have no intention of buying. Something will jump out at you anyway. So be sure that you are subscribed to the channel for updates on all of these things when I get a chance to do some videos on them. That Yaesu is going to be really interesting. I'm looking forward to it myself. There is a video right up here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.